Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to show you how to put together your indi bookcase. We suggest that you use a rubber mallet. You can find them on our website, and if you don't have one, you can find a rubber hammer cap found in your packaging inside your box, and you can put that on a household hammer to help you put your product together.
Let's do it. First, you're going to connect the feet to the bottom panel using the included hardware and the Allen key.
Take one of your feet and one of the JCB bolts and put it through the wide hole and connect it to the foot on the other side. Secure it into place with your Allen key, and before you secure all the way, make sure that the foot is square to the edge of the bottom panel. Next, take one of your side panels and lean it against a wall. Then take your back panel and line up the green connectors with the slots on your side panel. If you need help getting all of your connectors in place, just tap on the other side with your mallet. And once the gap is closed, just push down to lock into place. And if you need a little help, just tap with your mallet.
Now repeat with your other side.
Next, you're going to flip the entire case onto the ground, have one person flare out the sides, and then grab your top panel and your bottom panel with your feet connected to it and get ready to lock them into place. So first you'll take your bottom panel,
making sure
that the back sticker is facing the back panel. Line up those connectors, and before you push down to lock into place, make sure you also get your top panel in place as well. Okay, once everything is in place, start to tap on the other side of the panels to lock in the dowels. If you need a little help getting everything into place, just use your mallet on the other side of the panel. Then once everything's lined up, push down to lock into place. And if you need a little help, just use your Okay, just flip the case onto your feet and then go grab your shelf pins and shelf panel, and you're done.
Okay, I'll get the shelf pins. Now insert your shelf pins into the pre-drilled pilot holes. Now just insert your shelf.